10 Best Daily Foods for Diabetes Type 2 Patients Should Eat. Living with type 2 diabetes requires balancing blood sugar levels and managing the risks that come with it. From heart disease to nerve damage, diabetics are at an elevated risk of developing severe health issues, making it essential to choose the right foods every day. But it's not just about what you eat. It's about enjoying it too. Let's dive into 10 fantastic daily foods that can support diabetes management while keeping meals delicious and satisfying. 1. Olive oil. There's a myth that people with type 2 diabetes should avoid all fats. Thankfully, this is untrue, as unsaturated fats are essential for managing blood sugar and overall health. Extra virgin olive oil is an exceptional choice. Known as one of the good fats, it's rich in monounsaturated fats, which studies show can help reduce bad LDL cholesterol and promote heart health. Olive oil also packs powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, slowing down the aging process and reducing inflammation. Adding olive oil to salads, cooking, or drizzling over vegetables can benefit diabetics by supporting cardiovascular health and possibly even lowering cancer risk. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are tiny but mighty, offering a powerful combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This trio can help stabilize blood sugar levels and protect against complications associated with diabetes, including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds in your diet can boost energy without causing rapid blood sugar spikes. However, portion control is crucial, as nuts and seeds are calorie-dense. A small handful per day provides plenty of nutrients without overdoing calories. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, especially for people with diabetes. Packed with protein and essential vitamins like lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs can help stabilize blood sugar while supporting eye health. The low calorie count, only about 80 calories per egg, makes them ideal for balanced meals. Whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or hard-boiled, eggs can help you feel full longer, preventing overeating and supporting weight management. 4. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is more than just a tasty treat. It can be an effective substitute for refined carbs. With its rich healthy fats and protein content, peanut butter provides steady energy that lasts longer than high-sugar foods. Spread it on whole grain bread or add it to smoothies for a delicious energy boost. Just remember to keep portions small, as peanut butter can be calorie-dense. Choose natural varieties without added sugar and salt to maximize the benefits without increasing blood pressure. 5. Green vegetables. For a nutritious, diabetes-friendly boost, pile your plate with green vegetables like spinach, kale, and cabbage. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can lower blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. Research suggests that people who eat plenty of green vegetables are less likely to develop type 2 diabetes complications. Add greens to salads, soups, or stir-fries to help prevent blood sugar spikes and give your immune system a boost. 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a tasty spice. It's a powerful health ally for people with diabetes. Studies indicate that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. Just a sprinkle can transform meals and add warmth to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. When choosing cinnamon, go for Ceylon cinnamon over cassia, as it contains fewer compounds that may cause unwanted side effects. Ceylon cinnamon offers more significant health benefits, so use it to enjoy both flavor and wellness perks. 7. Dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate can be part of a diabetes-friendly diet when eaten in moderation. Unlike milk chocolate, dark chocolate has a higher cocoa content, meaning it's rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and support heart health. These antioxidants may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and other health problems. For maximum benefit, choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content and keep portions small. 8. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are a diabetic's best friend. With a low glycemic index, these legumes release sugar slowly, which prevents blood sugar spikes. They're also rich in fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, making them incredibly filling and nutritious. Including beans or lentils in meals provides a steady energy source and helps lower blood sugar by slowing digestion. From lentil soups to black bean salads, these foods offer variety and flavor while helping you maintain a stable blood sugar level. 9. Brown rice. Unlike white rice, brown rice is a whole grain, meaning it retains fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support blood sugar management. Whole grains like brown rice can help reduce insulin resistance, promoting stable blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of weight gain. While it's healthier than white rice, brown rice should still be consumed in moderation, as it's a carbohydrate. Pairing it with protein or healthy fats can create a balanced meal that supports blood sugar control. 10. Avocado. Avocado is more than just a trendy food. It's packed with monounsaturated fats that are excellent for people with diabetes. These healthy fats can help regulate blood sugar and insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable addition to daily meals. Avocados are also loaded with fiber and antioxidants, promoting fullness and heart health. Studies suggest that eating half an avocado daily could even aid weight loss, making it a perfect choice for those looking to manage diabetes and maintain a healthy weight. Conclusion: power your day with diabetes-friendly choices. Managing diabetes can feel challenging, but with the right food choices, it becomes easier to maintain steady blood sugar levels and enjoy delicious meals. Incorporating these 10 foods into your daily routine can significantly benefit blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. From the richness of olive oil to the creaminess of avocados, diabetes management doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.